Hello dear students, Jai Hind to all. Today we will discuss the new chapter of Geography, Chapter 2, Land, Soil, Water, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife Resources. So let's start. First we will discuss about the land. Actually, land is one of the most important natural resources. The Earth's total land cover is about 30% of the total area of Earth's surface. The parts of land which are suitable for living are known as habitable land, and the parts of land which are not suitable for living are known as inhabitable. Land is basically on the basis of ownership. Land can be classified as private land and community land. Private land, it is owned by individuals or group of individuals, like a house is known as a private land, and community land, it is owned by the society or community for common uses like collection of fodder, fruits, nuts, medicinal herbs. So community lands are also called common property resources. So these are two types of land: private land and community land. Next is soil. Soil, the thin layer of grainy substance covering the surface of the earth, is called soil. It is closely linked to land. Landform determine the type of soil. Soil is made up of different things like organic matter, minerals and weathered rocks which are found on the earth's surface. And thus this is a long process of weathering is responsible for the formation of soil. The right mix of minerals and organic matter make the soil fertile. So soil is very important resource. Next one is degradation of soil and conservation. Factors which lead to soil degradation are deforestation, overuse of chemicals, rainwash, floods, overgrazing, landslides, fertilizers and pesticides. So these are some factors which lead to the soil degradation are. And how to soil conservation. So method of soil conservation, like some method of soil conservation: mulching, rock dam, terrace farming, shelter belts, contour ploughing. Terrace farming, basically broad flat steps or terraces are made on the steep slopes so that the flat surfaces are available to grow crops, and they reduce surface runoff and soil erosion. Similar as a mulching, the bare ground between plants is covered with a layer of organic matter like straw. It helps to retain soil moisture. So these are the ways of method of soil conservation, like mulching, contour barriers, rock dam, terrace farming, intercropping method, shelter belts. Next one is water. Water is a vital renewable natural resource. It covers 3/4 part of the earth's surface. Earth is also called as water planet because it contains large amount of water, and the ocean cover 2/3 of the earth's surface and support a rich variety of plants and animals life. And the ocean water is not fit for human consumption due to its salinity. So fresh water is just about 1% of fresh water is available and fit for human use. It is found as known as groundwater, surface water in rivers and lakes, and as water vapor in the atmosphere. So water is a very important renewable natural resource for our life. Next one is natural vegetation and wildlife. Natural vegetation and wildlife basically means natural vegetation and wildlife exist only in the narrow zone of contact between the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere, and the mixture is called that we call biosphere. In the biosphere, living beings are interrelated and interdependent on each other for survival. This life supporting system is known as the ecosystem. Natural vegetation like plants provide us with a number of products like timber, give shelter to animals, produce oxygens, we breathe, protect soil, so essential for growing crops, uh, oxygen, oil, gum, papers, etc. There are many things, plants provide us many things. And next is wildlife. Wildlife includes animals, birds, insects, as well as the aquatic life forms, and they provide us a number of products such as milk, meat, hides, wool. Insect like bees provide us honey, have an important role to play as decomposer in the ecosystems. So wildlife and natural vegetation and wildlife are our important part in our environment and for our survival. Thank you children for watching.